Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to create Figma student account. First, open your browser and go to figma.com/education/apply. When the page loads, you'll be asked to select your institution type. Choose the option that matches your school, such as boot camp, higher education, or high school. Next, indicate whether you have a school-issued email address. If you do, select yes and continue. Make sure you are logged into your Figma account using your school-issued email, as personal email addresses may not be accepted. After logging in, agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. You'll then be prompted to select your role. Choose student, administrator, or educator, depending on your situation. If you are applying for yourself, select student and proceed. If you are part of a K-12 institution, click the special link provided on the page. This will open a form where you must enter detailed information about your school, including your school email address, your role, or select Other, and type your title, your school domain, school or district name, state or province, country, and the number of students in your district. You'll also need to select the technology platform your school uses and briefly explain why you want to use Figma. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.